Well, crap. That's a game changer right there, huh? Look at that. This is like, I mean, dang. That is a lot of water coming down really fast. That's a lot. Let me go out here and play in it, because, you know, thunder and all. Oh. I mean, that's a lot of water. Oh, and look who's with me. That's a lot of water. Look, that's like, look. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of daggum water right quick. Weed, you are such a good boy. You hang with your mama no matter what, don't you? Yes, you do. Look at that, we got a river. Woohoo! Alright. Anyway, the whole point of me being out here actually is to see where this water really channels to so I can resolve it. But, oh my gosh, man, really? What, huh? That might be a little bit of a problem here, huh? Yeah, so, okay, let's, yeah, you need to get on out. Ugh. Sure this is good for my shoes, huh? Run, Forrest, run! Shoot, right, Weed? Say, dadgummit. But I got plans for this. I do. Yes, I do. Woohoo! Well, anyhow. What's up, Weeds? Looks like everybody ran away, huh? Alright, Weeds, come on, man. Let's go. Yep. Goats are not... Good boy, Ouija. Yeah, good boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, you my boy. Gotta work on that a little bit more. Oh, yeah, we're gonna handle this. Because that's what we do around here, dadgummit. We handle things, don't we, little girl? Yes, we do. Look at you, dirty little things. Anyway, hope the weather doesn't suck where you're at. Because it's pretty crappy here, but not going to stop me. Put the phone in the house so I can get back out there and get some things done. Because there's only so many hours in a day, right? It's all good. Hey, Weege. Yeah, say, Weege, you my buddy? Oh, little Sam. Hey, baby girl. Oh, what? Oh, the vet's coming Monday. We're going to handle all these itchies, okay? All right. Woohoo. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Darn.